In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify for beginners. Starting an online business has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Shopify. Today I'll guide you through setting up your Shopify store from scratch. With no prior experience required, you'll be ready to start selling in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Shopify's website. Once there, you'll find the option to log in. If this is your first time, you'll also see where you can sign up. But today we're focusing on those who've already taken that initial step. After clicking login, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's the same email you used to sign up. Keeping everything consistent is key in the early stages of setting up your online presence. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your password. After inputting your credentials, the login button will lead you straight into the heart of your Shopify dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Once logged in, navigate to the My Store Home section. This is your control room, the place where decisions are made and dreams begin to take form. Now let's focus on setting up your store. Click on Settings. Here you'll find various options to customize and optimize your store. For now, we'll head straight to Online Store. This section is vital for what comes next, choosing the visual identity of your shop. Shopify offers a myriad of themes, each designed to cater to different aesthetics and industries. Take your time sifting through the options in the themes area. When you find one that resonates with your brand, don't hesitate to try it out. Previewing a theme gives you a glimpse of what your store could look like without making any permanent changes. Once you've selected a theme, the real work begins. Adding products. Navigate to the products section. Here, Shopify guides you through the process of listing your items, detailing everything from product descriptions to pricing. Each detail is a step towards convincing potential customers why they need what you're selling. After your products are set up, it's time to make those listings shine. Click on Customize. This brings you to an interface where you can adjust how your products and collections are displayed. Use this opportunity to highlight key items or promotions, drawing customers' attention where you want it most. With your products listed and your store aesthetics dialed in, let's move to theme settings. This is where you tweak the finer elements of your theme, aligning it perfectly with your brand. Every adjustment from fonts to color schemes plays a part in creating a memorable shopping experience. Almost there. Before launching your store to the public, you need to set up payments. Shopify supports a variety of payment gateways, allowing you to choose the best fit for your business model. Consider your target audience's preferences and the geographical reach of your business when making this choice. With payments ready, turn your attention to shipping and delivery. This section is crucial for outlining how you'll get your products to your customers. Whether you're shipping worldwide or only locally, make sure your policies are clear and accessible. Finally, we arrive at setting up your domain. A custom domain reinforces your brand and makes it easier for customers to find and remember your store. Shopify offers the possibility to buy a domain directly through the platform, making the process seamless. And there you have it. You've just navigated the essentials of setting up a Shopify store. Remember, the journey of online selling is ongoing. Experiment with marketing strategies, SEO, and social media to draw traffic to your store. And always be on the lookout for ways to improve and adapt. You're now equipped with the knowledge to begin your selling journey on Shopify. The path ahead is filled with learning, adjustments, and undoubtedly success. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in your business vision. Thank you for watching. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to take your offline business online, I hope this video has provided valuable insights into launching your Shopify store. Until next time, happy selling.